Sila ng Stephanie keyword. Diyan ay sustain. Here's the alley-oop! Oh! And the smackdown by Jun Roque. This is an opportunity to check this one out again. Pereras lobbing it up. Roque throwing down the alley-oop.
May pull up pa. Alam ko yung mamuscle up eh. Alam ko yung mamuscle up.
Kaya niya rin yan. Jun Roque.
Tsaka 2-foot gather, no? Exploding up and finishing.
Back to Andrada. Gonzalez.
Oh!
Enoch with a steal! Enoch Valdez with a slam dunk! Here's Bautista, drop off, Santos! Oh! Putting it down!
Nakikita mo naman yung epekto nito ni Ochavo. Ito yung dunk ni Santos kanina.
Diba?
Oo, ipinakomit lang yung defender. Ito yung Poseos, tumalon. Ito.
Great job. Their outside touch. Nice pass. Santos! Oh! Attacking the rim! Triple. Meantime, let's check out this monster jam earlier.
Ito
Coming
yung
from Rayson Una.
Oo,
One-hander.
Ito yung poste ni Quahao and finding.
This time with two hands, Kevin Santos with a slamma-jamma.
Gusto pang habulin ni Coseo.
Ayun o.
Nauna na siya, nauna sa talon eh.
Pero nakatalon si Coseo eh. Yan. Ano mo meron sa Facebook? Oh! Kevin Santos!
Wow!
Kevin Santos with his third jam of the day. Wow! How about this? The tomahawk down the middle once again. Iba talaga pag may buwelo yung Kevin Santos. Attacking. Destroying the rim.
Upside down, but there's nowhere he went but up on that play. But here it is again from a different angle. Breakaway. Jun Roque rising up.
So here's that steal and the first ever career NCAA dunk by Jomel Puno from Toronto, Canada. Mom and Pops, that's for you. That was the one that extended it to 14. Ito naman yung one-handed slam down the middle from Kevin Santos. Mabua ahead by 12, 76-64. Malaming mintis. In the meantime, Enoch Valdez, look out! Throwing it down.
Oh, that's fast stolen away, and Roque with a two-handed flash. Sabi nga ni Coach Martin, parang iba na yung confidence itong batang to after that.
9-0 run by Art Roque with a two-handed stuff.
Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. The Altas getting the lead back after a run by the Blazers as well, who went up as much as 5.
Couldn't find the mark, and here comes Jello Razon. Razon, the pass. Chris Pagaran slamming it down. Right after this electrifying play, Razon feeding Pagaran. Kala natin layup lang.
Kala ko lalagay lang eh, pero grabe talaga athleticism itong mga players ng Perpetual.
Lahat kami nagulat dito. This is probably for Scotty.
May plus 1 inch yung mga talo nila eh.